Phuket is known for its beautiful islands, but the luxury tours to get there are over $100. So here's how to do it on a budget. Most tours take you to 3 main islands: Coral Island, Racha Island, and Koh Bon. And while the boat ride between islands is included, you'll have to pay extra for activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, and jet skiing. But there is a way to skip the expensive speedboat tours and still see all 3 islands in one day. Head to Rawai Pier and book a shared boat to Koh Hae, also known as Coral Island. The price should be around 250 baht or $7 per person. From there, take a 30-minute taxi to the next island, Racha Island. The whole island is a protected marine park with stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. And if time allows, stop by Koh Bon, a small island with a big Buddha statue. You can hire a long-tail boat for the day to explore all 3 islands. The cost is around 800 BAT, or $20. But here's a tip. If you're traveling during the off-season, you can actually get these islands for even cheaper.